Hey guys, I'm at the Milwaukee media event and I'm with Ben and we're taking a look at the PACKOUT Compact Debris Separator. That's a big mouthful. Basically, it's a large particle collector, right?
Exactly.
Can you walk us through this a little bit?
Absolutely, yeah. So when you introduce this into any vacuum you might already have, it's really going to improve that user experience. So we're solving the #1 user frustration of those clogged filters. So when you use this as an accessory into any vacuum that you've got, it's going to capture up to 99% of that job site debris before it ever actually gets into your vacuum tank and starts clogging up that filter.
So is it just for large particles or is it
small dust as well? That's really actually where it excels, because that's the biggest frustration. That's really what clogs those filters fastest. Yeah. So sawdust, concrete dust, drywall dust, it's going to separate up to 99% and capture that debris as well.
Drywall dust and concrete dust, that's really small. Yep. I was thinking of this as kind of like a wood shop setting where you have a chip collector.
Yeah.
So it's not quite that. Same principle probably, but it's fine dust.
Exactly. Yep.
So yeah, walk me through your demonstration here.
Sure.
What do you have?
Yeah. So this is a clear unit. I'm going to be vacuuming up these black plastic particles. You can really kind of see them fall into here and not get into your vacuum.
So in real life, it's not a clear unit, right?
In real life, it's going to look like this one over here, and we'll walk through that as well.
Yep. Okay. So it'll look like this guy.
Yep. Absolutely.
Okay. All right. Let's do the demo here.
So super easy to set up. Everything is stored neatly inside the top here. You take your hose out, put it in there, and then it includes this multi-fit adapter. So this is compatible with any 1 1/4, 7/8, or 2.5 inch diameter hose, whether you're using one of our Milwaukee vacuums or something else that you might already own.
It is convenient though that it clips on to the PACKOUT.
Exactly. So you just hook it up just like that, turn that on, and then as I vacuum here, you'll see all the particles fall into the canister there, and what that means is they're not going into your vacuum, so it's not going into that filter.
Now these particles are pretty big. The concrete dust, the drywall dust, that's the stuff that really impressed me. You got my attention when you said that. So that's still going to collect it. Does this open up? Can we see what it looks like inside?
Absolutely. Super easy to empty.
Yep.
As soon as you're done, this one's on our PACKOUT vacuum, so you just disconnect it there.
Yep.
And it's got this clean door on the back.
Okay.
Take it over to your trash can wherever you're emptying it. Just open that up.
Give it a good shake. Huh?
Give it a good shake, dump it out, and you're ready to get back to work.
Probably hose it out or clean out if you had to. I just want to take a quick peek. So it's really, it's just a box, and it looks like you've got like, is there some channels in here? Or
exactly,
what's the secret sauce here? Why is it working?
So the top half of this in here actually has a unique airflow path inside of it. So it comes in from your vacuum, and as those particles swirl around, a lot of them are being dropped out into the system, and all of that clean air is being pulled back through, and that's what's going into your vacuum.
Is it a vortex type setup? Okay.
Yeah, so I'll open this up here. You can see this plate is for if you ever have any clogs or anything like that, but we'll open it up like that, and that's that airflow path inside of there as well.
Goes around.
So as the particles are swirling around and spinning in there, they're getting dropped into this canister, and then that clean air is being pulled back through, getting into your vacuum.
What's this capacity? You might have already said this.
You get about 3 gallons of capacity on this.
And that adds to the vacuum.
Exactly.
And it saves your bag and your filter. So cost and availability?
Yep, so this will be available in October, and it's going to be $99.99.
Okay.
Around that price.
Who do you see using this? Remodelers, carpenters, anybody?
Yeah, the woodworker is really who is gravitating towards this right now, but it's also good, like I said, for those drywall contractors. It's compatible with any really vacuum that's out on the market today. So anyone that's cleaning up debris that is dealing with clogged filters, this debris separator, when added into that system, is really going to help them as well.
Nice, and it's not heavy.
Not heavy at all. No, and you asked about that sawdust and that finer debris.
Yeah.
I want to show you a little example of that. So I've been cutting this stuff all day long.
Okay.
And you can see it's getting captured. You can see through the clear door back there how it's filled up.
Yeah.
I'll make a cut, and then I'll show you what the vacuum actually looks like down below. So the dust is going in here. You can kind of see in the door that we've got some in there. Check out your vacuum filter.
Nice. So you didn't
almost
even
not
use,
a speck in
lift it
there.
up even higher. You didn't even use a bag, so it's not even. It's not even going into the container.
Nope.
But we are in here.
Exactly. Yep.
Wow. So that's definitely All right, so my next question is why not make a vacuum that has this already on it or something? I mean, I guess it would just be a bigger vacuum, but
Yep, exactly. So yeah, we made this one to be compatible with everything that's out there today. We're listening to our users. It's a great suggestion to kind of integrate that in there and keep an eye out for suggestions like that in the future.
yeah, I think it's pretty interesting. So I would not have thought this would be for sawdust, or I would think it would. Yeah, I don't know. I'm impressed. Very interesting.
Yeah.
Well, hey Ben, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. Thanks for having us out.
Absolutely. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Bye, everybody.